you're experiencing account sync issues in Valorant, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and enhance your account synchronization. Step 1. Check server status. Before diving into troubleshooting, check the right game's server status. Sometimes, server outages can cause sync issues. Visit the official Riot Games status page or their social media for updates. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Make sure to fully exit the game rather than just minimizing it. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network, or try using a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi. A stable connection is crucial for proper account sync. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser to access your account, clear your cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing sync problems. After clearing, restart your browser and log in again. Step 5. Relink your accounts. If the issue persists, consider unlinking and then relinking your Riot Games account with any connected platforms like Steam or Epic Games. This can refresh the connection and resolve any sync discrepancies. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your account sync experience in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.